This is a My Jeep update on the Jeep WJ steering box, part 1 install. I bought a remanufactured Cardone from Advance Auto.
Yeah, right now on the Jeep WJ, I'm just doing some prep to get ready to pull that steering box off. It was a little bit of an effort just to move everything around to get the Expedition out. Had to move everything out on the curve and then back the Jeep. First, before I backed the Jeep in here, I cleaned the garage out and did a little reorganization, to give me a little bit more room.
I decided on the Elderman power steering pump. I'm having a problem with this castle nut, hard time getting it off. A piece of the cotter pin broke off inside the nut.
First thing I did was jack it up, put a jack stand under it, and remove that left front wheel and tire to get better access to the bolts that hold that steering box in. Okay guys, this is the first update now on my Jeep WJ on the steering box. Okay, I've already started on it. Got that left front tire and wheel off. Now, on this, the first thing that I did, I've already pulled out the air box. Most people will know how to do that, plenty of videos on that. Okay, this bolt has to come out on the steering linkage, and that's a 13 millimeter. I've already got it broken loose. I had to use an impact on that because it was on there real good. It's got Loctite on it, stuff. But anyway, I had a hard time breaking it. I tried it with a ratchet, couldn't do it. Impact took it right out. The next thing I need to do is figure out how to move this linkage back or out of the way. I'm not sure about that yet, but I'll be back with you on the next clip when I figure it out. Okay, I'm back. I reviewed a video on this, and evidently this just slides back. I couldn't get it with my hand. I saw some guys doing it just by pulling it back, but I'm gonna just try. I got it back a little bit. See, it just slides back is all you have to do. As you can see, I got it back some. Okay, I got this off. First, I used my small pry bar. Well, actually, I used a screwdriver, got a little gap in it, then the small pry bar. And then, as I pulled on it at the same time to the rear, towards the steering wheel, I pried at the same time, and it came right off. It might have been held up by a little bit of rust on that shaft there, but I've seen videos where after they got that bolt out, they were able to slide it with their hands, just pulling it out. But I had to do the pry bar and pull at the same time. I finally got it out. It's not that big a deal. See you in the next clip. Okay guys, this is an update on the Jeep WJ. Paul Stevens, my Jeep. Okay, I slid that steering linkage back up on the shaft so I could move the wheels right or left as I needed to get to the, I forget the name of that nut. I don't know if it's the caster nut, but it's the nut that attaches the end link to the end of the Pitman arm. I'm trying to get that off. I ran into some problems, and that's where I'm going to hold up today. I didn't get a whole lot done. It don't look like it, but I did a little work. Anyway, it's getting too hot to work right here. As you can see, I'm in the sun, and and I was just really sweating a lot, and I am in no hurry to get this done. This is probably going to be several parts because I got a feeling I'm going to have some problems with that Pitman arm. Out for now. Hey guys, that's the nut that I'm talking about. See, here's the Pitman arm right here, and this is where it connects to the end link, and I'm having problems right now getting this nut off. I'm not really sure. I think it's a 18 millimeter. I'm not 100% positive on that. But anyway, I'm going to try to get it off here, and I do have some pullers if I need to try to use it. I don't know. I don't want to mess up this part, so I'll try my puller when I get that nut off. I'll try to pull her and see what happens. And I think I'm just gonna, if I can get it off here at the end link, I'll leave the Pitman arm attached to the old steering box, and I'll just purchase a new Pitman arm. I think that'll work. And anyway, this is going to be the end of part one. I'm going to get this together, get it out. This is going to be multiple parts because I'm running into some issues here. You know, it's not going real fast, and I'm not going to push it too much because I'm still not 100% physical right now. Out for now.